get there before college. Right there, bro. That part is on the phone.
Welcome back with another video today. So what we're gonna be doing is we're just cooling. We got the boys, we got Warzone, we were playing this one game earlier. Izzy was getting his ass. But that's all. So don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you can never miss a new video.
You sound more like
Anybody else?
yeah. Anyone else has a YouTube? Let me stop.
Yeah. That's what I have for
Oh, you got fucked. Guess you're playing next.
Yeah, I do Warzone. I feel like I'd rather get better at Warzone than Rebirth.
He said, well, first of all,
He's like, stop out of these shorty.
that's the problem.
Oh my god. So a little update. I'm just now leaving for Robert's house and I'm on my way home. But I wanted to finish off the video by talking about Sawmill because, yeah, high key, that shit went from a 7. I don't know. I really appreciated the park, so I think it was 7 out of 10. Now it's like a 10 out of 10. Plus, there's so many people I've never seen like at that park before. Just appreciate it. It's still 10 out of 10. So yes. What else I wanted to talk about is I actually dropped my first little business on my art prints on Etsy. So I will be making a video on how I do that stuff in the future, maybe. Hopefully you guys stay updated with me. If you follow my Instagram, my art Instagram, and maybe my TikTok, then you can most likely keep up with me because I'm always there, trying to be at least. Don't know what's happening with me right now. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, like, subscribe, Barber.